Hello everyone, welcome to the interactions report for the second quarter of 2022. This is the first report which is an individual report for interactions as voted on by the community, and this will help us to get the reports out faster in the future. This report is about what we have completed in the second quarter and what are the goals set for the third quarter of 2022. Coming to the report, we launched the Nexus Alert Telegram bot at the end of the second quarter, and this bot lists transaction above 1000 Nexus or tokens. This idea originated from the community who wanted an easy way to track on-chain value transactions, and this will help them to understand how the network is growing when the updates are launched. This also has helped us during the recent Binance delisting to understand the community sentiment, and we have seen that a lot of people have been buying and hodling. This has also made us realize that we need more on-chain value transfer metrics, and this is also already incorporated in the 5.1 update in the Ledger Get Metrics API. This bot was developed by Mr. Ryan Fernandez, and he has been helping us with the updates and maintaining the various infrastructure we have, like the Explorer and the bot. The social media network, led by Christoph and helped by Thomas, have been doing a wonderful job of managing the various social media channels like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Float, Getter. You can see some of the screenshots on your screen. They are helped by the media arm, which makes the graphics and media, which you can see in the post. I would like to thank the media arm for their work. Some of the graphics are done in-house. Christoph also created a Discord bot which monitors the Nexus community and Nexus official channels and sends the tweets as a message in the Discord social media channel. ISMN, which stands for International Social Media Network, is a group of ambassadors with the idea to create local communities in their country. They use a dominant language in the country to reach out to people. This team is led by Kat, who is managing the Polish community. This is one of the biggest communities in Europe. She has been uniting this community and has been providing regular updates to them via Twitter, Telegram, and YouTube. She is trying to recreate the same effect in other countries. The web wallet support team, led by Neil, is also doing a great job behind the scenes providing web and wallet support for the community. They have also been helping with the testing of 5.1 and the early builds of the interface, and they have also been upskilling themselves to give better support to the community. The developer support team has some guides for the community. We have a mining guide which is tailored for Linux, a guide to deciphering data provided by the Nexus Alerts bot, and the TTM++ API documentation is in progress. In other news, Christoph, social media facilitator, has quit, and I would like to thank him and also wish him best of luck in the future. Thomas has replaced him as the facilitator. Due to the crypto market downturn, we had to cut down on our future plans and work toward consolidation. As part of consolidation, we had to stop paying the ISMN team at the end of second quarter due to the low budgets, and due to this some of them decided to leave the team, but most of them are still volunteering. Coming to the budgets, we had a budget of around 11,000 Nexus per month, and at the end of the quarter we had a balance of 20,000 Nexus. Goals for the current quarter, that is the third quarter of 2022. These things are highly dependent on the market conditions and also the 5.1 rollout. Everyone is aware of the market downturn and the unfortunate Binance delisting, which has dwindled our budgets. But we will make it a point to move forward and do things which are not budget intensive. As most of the things we are doing at interactions like the Explorer, the testnet, the alert bot have a monthly recurring expense, and due to the dwindling budget we are finding it difficult to maintain the pace of growth. So we have planned to create a self-sustainable environment for the future. So this will be useful in case of any market downturns in the future. So this plan is to do things in a sustainable way, which will enhance adoption and also market themselves. So this is going to be the theme on which we will be moving forward. And what does it mean? So most of the things we will be monetizing, which is possible, and the things has to be self-sustaining, and we'll also dabble into use cases which should increase the adoption. So we are not going to wait for somebody to come and build on Nexus. So we will create the basic use cases, and also it will be like a technological showcase for the community as well as for people who want to see what is capable with Nexus. And so if anybody asks you what can Nexus do, you can go and show them what is Nexus capable of. For the other goals for the current quarter, the support team will be testing the new core as it progresses. We have to update the Nexus Bubble plugin with the new API calls. We have to update the testnet to the latest 5.1 build. We have to complete the API documentation. We have to update the Explorer with the new API calls. The support team will also be testing the interface builds when it is ready. The Nexus market cap development is progressing along with the 5.1 build, and right now we are waiting for the API calls for the to integrate into the market cap. Most of the things listed here are dependent on the 5.1 progress, and it is very difficult to tell us whether we can accomplish them or not, but we are trying our level best to do things in parallel and complete what we can. So with this, if you have any questions regarding this update, you can always send your questions on the Telegram, and I can answer them on Telegram. Or if you wish, we can hold a Telegram AMA or a live AMA, whatever is convenient for the community. If anybody would like to join interactions, we would like to welcome them as volunteers. As I said before, we have very small budgets and we will not be able to pay you right now. But this is a good time for you to get accustomed to working with the interactions. And by the time the market go north, maybe we can pay you guys. So with this, I would like to thank the community for their support for interactions, and I would like to say thank you one and all.